In this video, I will detail how to stop apps from tracking your exact location on iPhone on iOS 18. So, if while installing any application on your iPhone, you are prompted to allow location tracking and this is turned on, this application will be able to track your location until this feature is turned off. So basically here, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable location tracking on your iPhone on iOS 18. So this is going to work for all applications, especially the application which you don't want your location to be tracked on. So if I done on this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on privacy and security. Once you selected that, locate location services. Then here you have access to some of the applications you have on your iPhone. You see that? Now you can click on the apps that you don't want your location to be tracked on. So in this case, let's say I want to disable location tracking on the messages app. Click on that. Then you should see never, ask next time or when I share, and then while using this application. If you want to disable your location service on this particular application completely, choose never. Or better still, once you have chosen any of this while using the application, or ask when next I share my location, make sure you disable precise location. So once you turn off that, this application will still be able to track your location, but this will not be able to track your precise location on the maps. Now, if this is enabled and you want to stop the app from tracking your location completely, all you just need to do here is make sure never. Then with never, this app will never be able to track your location on iPhone on iOS 18. So preferably, if you want to be on the safer side, still using your location but not sharing your exact location on this particular application, just choose while using the application and then disable precise location. So this is still going to access your location, but this will not be able to share your exact location on your iPhone on iOS 18. Mark you just need to go back again, choose any other application under here. You can see Snapchat is using my location. That is when I shared. Then I just need to come here and turn off precise location. So this is still going to allow the Snapchat application to access my location, but not exact. So I'm also going to turn on while using the app. So if I'm not using this application, the Snapchat app will not be able to track my location on my iPhone. Then again, locate other application whose location service grant a permission you granted. So this, then disable precise location. So you want to repeat this for all the applications you have on this page. Then once that is done, just hit the back button again and then come to tracking. Then under tracking, locate any application that is tracking your location here and then make sure this is turned off. If Facebook is tracking your location like this, then go ahead and disable tracking on each of these applications. So this is how you can easily disable or stop apps from tracking your exact location on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.